Hello, today I like to show how to use the SIKA EC25 multifunction calibrator as a source. That means a signal generator. You can imagine on the top line we have a measurement, on the lower line we have the information regarding source. So for example, here I generate a signal for a thermocouple type K in a range of 100 degrees Celsius. And this is my indicator, so this is the instrument I like to check. This makes the reading of thermocouple type K, and my indicated value is 99.5 degrees Celsius. So that means if I change the temperature value, for example in this case the thermocouple type K, now it's 100 centigrade. If I change it to 0, then also my indicator, which measures the generated signal from this instrument, will show 0. If I operate for example 10, then it will indicate 9.6, so I see a difference of 0.4 centigrade in the measurement of the signal. If I increase to 110 or even to, for example, to 111 or to 1111 or to different values, I have possibilities to adjust different values. Then the indicated value here, which is the source value, will be shown on this instrument. So I select the right function. I like to measure not millivolt. I like to measure not ohm. I like to measure degrees Celsius, but not for thermocouple type R. I like to measure the temperature for thermocouple type K. So I select thermocouple type K, and what to do is to switch on the cold junction, and so that means then my source, my generated signal, is 1022 degrees Celsius, and my indicated value on this instrument is 1021.7. So we see a difference of 0.3 centigrade. Yeah? So for a thermocouple we have a signal coming out of millivolt. And that means we have to use these terminals, the COM terminal and then the voltage terminal, connect here, and then the signal generated by this instrument is transferred via the cable to the measuring port of this indicator, and so the value then is indicated. And by changing values, you can get different informations, different values on the instruments. That's it. Very simple.